The period t of the simple pendulum is calculated from the formula t equals 2 pi root L over g, where L is the length of the pendulum and g the constant gravitational acceleration. So remember that g is just a number here, it's a constant. Find the percentage change in the period caused by lengthening the pendulum by 2%. So we want to find the percentage change in t caused by a 2% change in L. So we're given that delta L over L times 100 is equal to 2. So that's the percentage change in L. We're required to find delta t over t times 100, the percentage change in the period. Now we have that t is 2 pi root L over g, which we can write as 2 pi over root g, L to the half. So dt dl would be, the half comes down, multiplies to 2, makes it 1. So pi over root g, L to the negative a half. Now this one is the square root of L on the bottom, so we can write that as pi over root g L. So delta t is going to be dt dl delta L. So delta t is going to be pi over root gl delta L. Delta t over t times 100, which is what we're trying to find, would be pi over root gl. Delta L, now we need to divide this side by t, but I'm going to divide here as 2 pi root L over g, and then we need to multiply by 100, and then we've done the same thing to both sides. What can we do with this then to tidy up? So we could use our knowledge of surds here to split this into root g, root L. Then here we've got delta L over 2 pi, and then we've got root L over root g, and we're multiplying by 100. Now here we're dividing by a fraction, so turn upside down and multiply, and then we've got pi over root g root L, delta L over 2 pi, and turn upside down and multiply. The root L will stay on the bottom, the root g will go to the top, so the root g's cancel, the pi's cancel, and if we look at what we've got there, we've got a half of delta L over root L times root L is L times 100, and we know that delta L over L times 100 is 2, so that's going to be a half times 2 is equal to 1%.